Alright, so we are back for another Z Vault unboxing, and today we're going to be checking the Logitech Pebble M350. So $20 in price here, one of the cheaper Logitech mice than you can get. But this is actually one of the most popular Logitech mouse around, and for me, for a $20 price range, one of the better looking mouse. I think it punches above its weight in the look from what I have seen from the marketing material, so that's why I got it. It's actually my mouse. It's mostly Logitech. I've been using Logitech stuff for 10 years plus, a decade plus, and I really trust Logitech M350, a modern, silent, and a slim as well. Logitech, and you're getting that maybe minimalist in design, and you're getting dual connectivity, Bluetooth, USB, silent productivity as well, 90% noise reduction with the same click feel. You're getting several stuff in the box, and 995 in my country here. So yeah, this is actually coming with different colors here, so you can choose depending on what you like. And actually this also pairs up really well with the Logitech wireless keyboards, which also I do have here in the channel. The Logitech K380 and also the 480, I do have those both in the channel. So yeah, big Logitech fan here, guys. So this is the mouse, and actually not a lot in the box here. All right, so let's open it up. I also got the black color, so as you guys can see, I like the matte black everything life here. And yeah, this is the mouse. First impressions, this is really light, guys, but let's check out what you get in the box. So you're getting additional manuals here. Actually no charger whatsoever, because this is powered by batteries. So this is the mouse itself, and from the get-go, this is a really thin mouse. This might be my thinnest mouse, so that is definitely super welcome, because if I'm gonna use this maybe with my iPad or my PC as well, if I just have a small bag, this will fit nicely compared to maybe the MX Master. As you guys can see, that is like 1/5 the overall size of this, compared to maybe my gaming G7903, around 3 divided by 3 the size here. So definitely really thin here. One of the thinnest mouse that you can get, and actually for me, this is now my thinnest mice. And in terms of the weight, so the weight's definitely big in difference here. So yeah, this is really used, so pardon me for that, but the weight difference is really big. So this is a lot lighter in comparison to the MX Master, and also the G903 as well. So this is definitely a lot lighter in that. So yeah, definitely in your bag, this will be something that you won't really feel that much in your bag. So if weight is your primary concern, this will definitely fit your bill. Feel overall, it's made of mostly plastic, but much like your other Logitech, it feels really good in the hand. It doesn't feel super cheap. That's a bit of weight to it. So yeah, the plastic is still not the same as my G903, but for the price you're paying for, the plastic quality is really good here. So looking at the back, you're getting that sensor, you're getting your on and off switch. You're also getting your pairing here. You can choose between the USB and also the Bluetooth connection as well. So opening this up, of course, this is powered with your AA batteries here, and you're getting that USB-C dongle. Yeah, you're just getting one AA, so it will be, of course, lighter compared to your two AA battery counterpart here. Looking at the click feel, so actually this is one of my favorite features in this. So I actually have used this with my friend before, and the click feel on this is really good. So actually it's very silent here. If you're gonna be in a coffee shop outside, when you have other people around you, this will be really quiet of an operation. This won't bother anybody at all. And also the click feel as well feels really good in the hand. So it's very tactile here. Reminds me of maybe some brown switches. So looking at the scroll wheel, this is plastic in build quality. And then pressing it as well, the press is similar to the left and right mouse button indicator. Very quiet and still really tactile. So we are now paired up, and in terms of the gliding, so not that bad overall. It's not as silent, I would say, compared to your MX Master and your more expensive pairs. But yeah, the tracking here is pretty good overall. I would say this will be more for maybe some casual browsing here, for some browsing work, maybe some content consumption. This will be perfect of a feel. Maybe for some light work, maybe for some light Photoshop, this will definitely be okay as well. But definitely if you're a professional, you would want the feel of the MX Master. The MX Master will feel a little bit more solid and a bit more control feeling in the MX Master over the Pebble. Definitely this will be nice for claw grip because it's a a small mouse here, so it's not gonna be as comfortable as your MX Master, which will kind of hug your whole hand here. So this will be more of a claw grip. So yeah, the thickness difference is definitely warranted here. You can definitely see the difference here overall. All right, so the scroll wheel, I would say even if it's not a metal scroll wheel, not that bad again. So it works like a charm. It's not as clicky as your metal scroll wheel, but again, for some content consumption, browsing, this will be perfect here. And yeah, the click for me, definitely really quiet here. So actually, the click is quite satisfying for me, so definitely that's really big plus for me for the Pebble. All right, so for the Logitech Pebble, for $20, this definitely worth the price. I'd say the price that you are paying for. So first, it's a Logitech branded product, so you know that you're gonna have longevity, and yeah, the build quality is gonna be nice for you. It's thin, so even if you have more expensive mice, this can still be something that you can add to your kit because of the thinness, for the portability. So definitely for that price range, one of the best mouse that you can get. Right, so that's my unboxing of the M350. Of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in the next seatbelt unboxing. Bye bye.